Yes, I am. Yes, good afternoon. To all viewers and subscribers on the voice of Betta. Yeah, man. About 3 o'clock in the afternoon now. Yeah, man. No match kick off already. I told the match kick off yet. Because Format United they play Centa best at the Trinity Multi-Purpose Stadium. In the seat. I'm going to address the topic there. The reason why I say me really not going to support Format United. I talk about it already, you know, but I will touch back on it again. But before I talk about it, I'm going to start briefly. Yeah, man. I'm going to start briefly about the content that I post this morning. The garbage them pan when they dump on Duke Street. Come tell them something, people. Come tell them something. A long time that I go on, you know. Long time, you know. It a go on, you know. I'm not paying no mind, you know. Just love it. Long time it a go on. Long time it a go on. And I just know. Long time it a go on. It's a reason why me just put it on the voice of Betta. Because I see the nastiness down a bandstand. Some people don't like me call it pamper stand, but some people, a person link me and say, boy, me a speak. Because through time, other day down a something there. Other day down a Bowgate. I see me head chip. I wear my psycho bunny and all them sitting there. I just mind style that. In a seat. Because this now have nothing at all to do with politics. Because me talk the good. Notice, you know. Some of the person people bias, you know. Me talk the good up what something they do, you know. Keith also do, you know. And the good that Siaga do too, you know. So when I know say when I talk about my hometown, you know, see, because I live happy lives in the 80s same way. And a Siaga government, because Siaga right through the 80s, a Siaga ruled Jamaica. And Mr. Keith also was the MP. And I always say Mr. Keith also was one of the best MP. Not the best, you know, one of the best. Because I live happy times and Mr. Keith also time. We talk a lot about Mr. Keith also, good one though. So one can't talk about it too political. I talk facts and logics, I don't tell no lie for nobody. I want Falmouth and home and abroad to know what will take place at Falmouth. Yes. So when two person link me since morning and I say, boy, the reason why the place garbage have to put this up because more people live at Falmouth and what about argument them attack. I say that I'm not at all for the with it. Because Falmouth population, yes, Falmouth population might increases, but the areas, the people in front of the areas, them what carry the garbage come dump there so. No new house don't build up there, the same set of people them will live back in the days, the same family them grow up and defend. Because if Falmouth population increase, I must done a race course with more houses and build up and all them sitting there. Back in the 70s, people were on Newton Street, George Street and around like pan Newton Street, the bottom part of Newton Street and so forth, and Corner Street in a city. Never used to have to bring and dump garbage pan the main road because things was provided back in the days. when they can get to the garbage without bringing it in on the main road. It's a reason why the people have to do it. Because I don't blame the people, I can't blame the people. Because nothing, I'm say for morning. You know, see it? Anything for the ordinary people, if it benefit of Falmouth, then look out for them in the aspect there. Because back in the 70s, around Jardy Street, Mr. Live, I'm a frequent Newton Street. Jardy Street and Newton Street people, them now carry garbage come dump on the main road. Because there was garbage bin and things and garbage truck. We sell the garbage truck back in the days. And then garbage truck, I shovel them used to use and throw in the garbage truck. And from it to clean back in the days when no bag of money now pumping and farm up on a certain levels. The place was to keep clean and tidy. And that me I talk about. But now, you know, see, that's the same thing. And you know, see, the place used to look clean and tidy. Duke Street clean. Jamaica back in the days, alright, cause everyone say back in the time, back in the 70s and so forth, Jamaica never no bag of money. They run at Jamaica. But one thing, we know about godliness and cleanliness. Jamaica never uses the dirty. Because on earth much money are passed through Falmouth and a pump through Falmouth. And Falmouth can't look them way. And back in the 70s, money never when they pass through Falmouth, so. And Falmouth used to look better and cleaner. Yes. And that one if you know. And stop talking about me too political. All I want to overseas know Falmouth to the state. No garbage never used to dump on Falmouth main road in a Michael Manley time. What's the next Prime Minister? In a Siaga time. In a seat. In a PJ time. Yeah. In a Porsche time and Bush time. Never used to dump. No garbage never used to dump. Can be born and go to Falmouth. Always dear Falmouth. Although one time is live a Wochi. But me come from every weekend see me and sit and know what I go on. I want to know people. So me post anything me see in a seat. Me just post it on the voice of bed Miller. So people can see it and share it. Me not spend no propaganda. Because they spend 25 million according to the bill if you put you down a something there. Down a board gate. I tell the history of Falmouth. I look on the garbage. I dump on the main of the Falmouth. I didn't think they may talk about. Yes. Yeah. Yeah man. To what me said, me just do me thing this morning because I say boy, if me capture that and put on the voice of Ben, people can see what me I talk about. The pampas, the people that dumb garbage left all the pampas in front of the lawyer man place and all them sitting there. I believe so when a lady went out what the street, what they clean this, what they clean what they did clean up here. So I make my point. Because me I speak out. But what me I say, in the 70s, when time the money now running a Falmouth, the computer now can more money now pumping a Falmouth now than in the 70s. And Falmouth use a cleaner in a seat. And healthier to live around, healthier environment. The playgrounds is so better. Park, bandstand, park and Centa. Far better than now. In the 70s. That's why I go just change the topic right now because I told him I want to cover. Can we talk about we talk on the dumping now on the main road. Can we talk about it this morning? But I'm going to talk about me, just talk about it briefly. You know, but what I want to touch upon now, you know, see it? At the same topic, same way. Yeah, man, see me, Kimani Marley, same way. I mean, I stop talk about, Falmouth, what I'm going to Falmouth. Yes. I just show the youth no want to come out and talk. Yeah, man, no want to come out and talk, brother. You know, see, then I tell you. Yes. Yeah, man. How them deal with the youth, brother. Because by right, Falmouth United have play match at stadium today. Match for the starter now. Yeah, man. About 12 minutes past 3 now, at 3:30 match start. What amount of money Falmouth United can make at stadium? Eh? Tell me now, what amount of money Falmouth United can make now at stadium compare if Falmouth United will play a match over Elixton Wakeland Youth Center? Eh? The real and true home of Falmouth United. Elixton Wakeland Youth Center was the home of Village United. All, even Betta started one of them teams there. Play a Premier League match over Elixton Wakeland Youth Center. Eh? Come tell you something, people. This is youth here. You spend millions. Kimani Marley spend. You know, see it? If you put Falmouth United, where is it? In a Western Jamaica, very competitive. And we all know that at 2020, we all know that at time we think they mash up Falmouth United. Well, you know, so no wicked and no heartless, you know, brother. This is you to spend million, you know. More than 3, 4, 5 million, you know. They set up Centa to a certain levels, you know. And when you want the place, if you build a sports complex, you know. Not for football alone, you know. Because all boxing and them sitting in the youth bring people to teach them boxing, you know. The youth set up the place, fix up on Centa, put in all the electrical fixtures in a Centa, buy big old screen TV for the ball of them. Yeah, man, the living quarters, the bathroom facilities, buy table tennis board and put on there so man can play table tennis, man start play table tennis again. The man put up fencing around the field and all them sitting there. The man used to donate, the man donate money to keep Night Corner League in a seat during the summertime. The Virginia youth did have in a seat. Millions of youth spend, brother. That's why if Kimani not spend the money now, I must have reason the youth not want to spend the money now. And my God, man, the man come amongst the people, let me tell you, brother. Come amongst the people them and try to put a sports complex, a Centa. Because we all know say Elixton Wakeland Center of his sports. Parish Council respond for it, yes. Because the government the man another thing too. Parish Council respond for it, yes. Because when time them build a cell tower upon the Center, a Parish Council responds for. Come out 200,000 a month. Because a virgin close to Village United tell me. Then time the Parish Council collect 200,000 a month for the cell tower upon Center. Someone know all up on the connection of Center. That's why when Kimani Marley did one build sports complex over there. Kimani Marley said, you know, want no money from half a cell tower. You know, so want is in one property for lease. So he can fulfill his dreams. Because the man used a bucketive to build a sports complex. And the government of Jamaica refused to give the property and went ahead and build a drop-in center, went ahead and build a shelter for the homeless. And now they want to build Fowl Farm. And me they expose him about the Fowl Farm part-time because the money collect to build Fowl Farm. And he hurt me, man, he hurt me in such a way when time because as I say, man, he hurt me if you know say the kids of Falmouth can't watch Falmouth United playing football like how we used to watch Village Conquerors and so forth play Premier League at Centa. Me watch Conquerors with they play against Cavaliers when in 1974 with that S90 I play with Conquerors. Me remember S90 clearly. We used to play for Carnal, one of the best schoolboy footballer in Western Jamaica. He come from Granville. He come from Granville. 1974. Yes. Yeah, man. Sure. See now. Noel Sweetie Smith. One of the best schoolboy footballer ever in Jamaica. Along with Leonard Teacher Hyde. Yeah, man. Me watch Noel Sweetie Smith play football at Centa 1978. When Villager play Premier League 1978. Yes. Because 1977, see it here? This is States 1977 side. Yeah, man. I be see me, see Sweetie here, and see Robert Andrews here, and Spider-Man. Me watch them a play for Reno at Centa. Yeah, man. Don't know if anybody else for the side when play for Reno 1978. States 1976 side. I've been inside this, sir. Mr. D, this a Boyos. Mr. Windell Dunswell. Me watch him play on the side of too. The best winger Jamaica I've ever seen. I sent him to watch him on the play. So me I tell you say, because of Mr. Dunswell, you know see, Gaff, Spider-Man, and Noel Sweetie Smith. That's why me they choose. When me get the scholarship between Clarendon College and something, and that's why me choose to go States. That's why me choose to go States. And boy, I tell you sometimes, boy, my heart is so bitter, and my heart is so full in such a way. Sometimes me want to talk short, and sometimes, boy, me I tell you better. You know see. So I'm going to take up this one. You know see? And Centa, because it's all started for me with football. And because of football, I go States, I left States and go Nib. And so I go back and Nib, see me and start to picture and Nib because I they know me when they come and never play football. I done so well for them in football, I need give me the break. And so me photographing things start spread, I start take $50 picture and Nib. I get a chance to go back down and States and take picture for $100. And so me think spread on Trelawney and St. Elizabeth. And so me have so much school, just so me have so much school graduation time. Because of the opportunity for me as a youngster watching football at Falmouth Center. You know see it. And that me I cry out for. So when Brenton talk about say Falmouth United now play the match at Center again. Me lick out against them thing, brother. I'm going to load, you see me right now, I'm going to leave the people alone, you know. I'm going to leave them alone, brother. I found no choice, you know. Yes. Because I tell you so, Falmouth in the 70s, Falmouth Centa and Park and Bandstand look far, far better in a seat than now. And in time, farmer never full of no money. Because the farmer poor in time according to, but the players look poor, but the players look better. For the youths them can enjoy them enjoy on the levels. I talk about the for the ordinary youth them, poor people youth them. Can enjoy themselves. I tell you brother, nothing, you don't do nothing at all for the lower class of people in my Falmouth. That's a mind cry. Yes, because I love Falmouth today brother. Because I love Jamaica, because 1988, after Gilbert, when my brother them I take the Mexican border to go America in a seat. You understand me? I'm gonna go with them. Because I say, I now left my baby mother and my son gone to America. Because then time my son, when my first son was 2 years old, I'm born 86. I hear most of my brothers them take the Mexican border and go to America. Some come back, some do the same way. I say, I now left Jamaica, brother. I now left my baby mother and my 2 year old son. Me fight the show because 1988, I play for village. At the home time I play for village. You can talk my life story on and on, you know. So when they see me to go there, I talk from my heart. Don't tell me about me too political, brother. Because me stop go park, I stop go bandstand, I stop go Centa. Because I play garbage and play bush there in place there. In a 2025, when so much money in a pump in a Falmouth. Back in the 70s, so much money was a pump in a Falmouth. I don't have ambling war in the ship, ambling war in the operating time. Because I never see no ship with me a boy. I was never see no ship. And since no me I see ship. Yeah. So as what I say, I want to try to keep the content them on a certain levels. Yeah man. You know see it. What this youth have done for people them. You know see it. And then deny the youth the opportunity to build a sports complex for people them. That the youth did want to do. And the government of Jamaica refused to give him the property. And went ahead and take Mr. Elliston Waitland land. Mr. Elliston Waitland, you want to support the Jamaica Labour Party. He's a good man. You have good man come out of the Jamaica Labour Party same way. Good man out of the People's National Party same way. The man donate him land for the youths of Trelawney. And look how to take the man land and do. And when man talk the truth, when I can't hear it for me, because sometimes my life in a danger, you know. My life in a danger, you know. Because through me have my YouTube channel, I show up certain things that go on a Falmouth. You know see it? That's why I'm going on much today. Me like a trail with the people say them, you know. Me live up there, you know. Me love go to watch football games, you know, because I can relax and watch football games, you know. But I say, but I now go to support Falmouth United. Yeah, man. For them home games. I go to watch other matches, but not Falmouth United home games. Falmouth United will come back a Centa, man. And try to get back Centa, brother. So the youths of Falmouth can and Falmouth can watch football. That's how I'm gonna say. That's how I'm gonna say. Nothing going on for the youth of Falmouth. Park and Centa in one disgraceful condition. And bandstand, Park and Centa in a one disgraceful condition. It proven. So when I spend how much millions, the chat about the history of Falmouth. As my friend Jeannie say, you know see, yeah man, pretty sign and dirty Falmouth. Pretty sign and dirty Falmouth. All know the history of Falmouth. The struggle of Falmouth. Yeah man, I'm going to toast you, them look nice. But with all the people them travel and so forth, that is a shame and disgrace. Look on bandstand. Look on bandstand. Look on park. And look on Centa. I don't go them place there again any better. I don't go bandstand again, and I don't go park again, and I don't go Centa again. If I want to watch some football, I go try the multi-purpose stadium. And NIP. And then a state sports complex. I want to watch sporting activities like track and field again. I got state sports complex. Over NIB. I try the multi-purpose stadium. As I say, one love. But still now, we wish Falmouth United all the best, you know. We wish them all the best. But we don't need to try to get back Centa. That's all me say. Yes, Aya. Big up yourself, Soko. Big up yourself, Soko.